today's video. We are going to make salbaro, guys. Make salbaro. So, yes. By the way, this is coconut with sugar. The 3 kilos flour. So we're going to mix this until all the flour and the coconut will incorporate well. So guys, we are going to mix this because we are going to make a dough. Yes, because this is bread. So guys, this is the most challenging. Okay, after this small portion, we are going to pour it over. It's very big, guys, and you have to It is 3 kilos. I'm sweating. It is like a workout, guys. Sure, guys. Ang mahirap.
Mana? Kasa daw. Yung bilang baliktara. Yun ang nasa tubuan.
Mga jutag, nagdumog ang bitin na.
Balikara.
This is good. So we're going to set this here. Honey oil.
Ayan, bilang ba?
So we're going to set this here. And let's wait for pila maka minuto ni mga 1 hour,
2 hours.
mga 2 hours.
Pasa.
We will leave this covered for 2 hours until it's set and mutubo na siya. What we call this, the yeast will react, no, and it become fluffy. Cover na. Okay. And then we will going to put it here. Asa man? Okay. Place it here, guys, for the direct sun light. It will help to make the, what they call this, the yeast react faster. It's really sweat, guys, and yeah, it's like a workout. What's next to do is this. I will show you what's the use of this banana leaves. So the use of the banana leaves, guys, is this. I will show you. Yan. See? This is the banana leaf. So this is used for sabi tawag ka ng hapin. Hapin, basta ihapin siya, guys. So the dough will be placed here before go to the burner. So something like that. So I will show you later part of this video. So basta hapin siya. And now, is starting off. Kung sa mga formation ninyo. So this is
Heart, triangle, square, heart, and
okay.
plastic.
So this is, guys, akong giingon sa inyo, ha. Na this is where the so man siya forma ni.
Tao.
This is a
Noun.
man.
Noun. Paan?
So heart ni.
Yes.
Star. So kamadar, ano sa ba niyang forma?
Wala, kumitig ko nila.
Producer siya sa mga forma. Okay. This part, o sa imong ano, Leia?
Wala.
Oh,
Katagal mo niya.
Uy, nag-ingon na siya sa kuha sa una.
si Muning?
Lamig ito yung...
Yes, that's this one. So after this is,
Ito po, may ito si Kwan.
this will be cooked here.
Ay, ibang baligya po.
So later I will show you how to make over this area.
Ay, mong bigoy sa una.
Oy, atong Lia.
Okay na Leia, ate sa kabalo ka mapisot siya.
Uy, basto sa din yun.
Ano ko pinabasa sa inyo na?
Nagadawat na ka nga, okay lang.
Okay,
Pisot. Pwede ka mag-search ka daan mo, pakakita, i-search mo sa
Inuwi man
Google.
tag si lady atong ikuan sa una na.
What is pisot? Anak.
Romeo episode person. Uy, bastos. Whoops. Sige lang dahil. Sige lang. Okay, tulog ko na.
Ako na niya.
Kaya patay na siya. Putol.
Daghan siya nahurot yung dahon.
Gani. Ina ko. Ang gamay rin. Ilita ko.
So now, guys, we're going to transform this into a improvised oven using this. I don't know, it's a scrap or whatever you call it, but it's look like this. So we're going to make over this kusina or abuhan because we're going to use a lot of firewoods. So we decided to move outside, guys, because it's not safe here because this can be burned. So to make it safe, we transferred here outside. Ayaw ana.
Ikaw. Ikuan.
Paana siya. Me. Yeah. See? It's outside the house and hopefully it will not going to rain. This is how to do it, guys. Babe. The angriest of the burn. so this is now we are going to wait for this na mauling siya ba ana ma-charcoal mag-fire up siya ana kay Isus Ginoo ko.
Hindi pa na siya mauling. Basta mainit na ng ilaw. Butan niya na.
Yes, according to the Angry Birds.
Paano man na sila?
Okay.
Paano nagbaga? Kaya dali na biyan naman. Paano ilaw? Dali na.
So ingani ni siya, guys, ang pag-cook sa Salvaro. This is called Salvaro.
Kay dagko kaayo.
So guys, it's now fire up, guys. This is good. So we are going to check here if it's nag-init na siya, nag-heaten up na. Heaten up na.
Okay, silip lang.
See, okay lang, ma?
Huwag palagi ng kuha na itong tangat. Uy, may tangat eh. Ayaw.
Pwede apat anak ni siya, ma.
Ay, ana.
Anak mo, biya itong nga.
Okay, Debbie, juhi ko, Debbie.
Oh, bitaw tang yung ibutang hikot.
Hindi ko, Debbie.
Nan.
Ayaw, guys, diri ano sa ako ang dibuhat dahil. Effort ba yung taon silang duhaan ni?
Oo, lagi. Huwag mo sila nang nangita ko. Papanin mo ito yung plano ko. Ayaw.
Okay. Okay, dali naman.
Stopper ba?
So this is what happened, guys.
Dito po, dili sa mo dito.
So now it's fire na. Oh. And then dara na si mother, guys, nagdala na siya sa iyahang
Ay, ikuha na niya.
iyang star. Uy, bauna daw to ni Zayn tong color star daw niya daw.
Una to mabi kay.
Okay, Kisler. May mga star be. Dapat i-clear up po na siya dira nga area. Kay murag na ay, we are going to request another table.
Table.
The table in
Hindi man
father.
nasa.
Is what we call this, give them instruction for the table. So ang Zayn is, what's this?
Star.
The star. Oh, dili na, can't hold na ko. Kabi kabugat sa imong star, oy.
Masing mahog.
Okay. So ato na i-trial ang, so that's how to do it, guys. See? Oh. Yes, kay delicate kayo sa kuan. Paano na lang request na lang table diri, ma?
Table.
Ang sa kong
Diri o para butangan. So guys, this is the view. See? Very good view. Sunset over there. See? So beautiful. Oh, hala, nahulog na siya. Guys, nahulog ko siya, guys. Oh my God. Vlog pa more. So guys, this is not good na because it is already, it's already bad. So, it's just put it there. Okay. Wait. Oh! Wait. Oh, it almost fell down. So meanwhile, the Salvaro, the other one is peeling down. Ha? Tora tayo. So meanwhile, guys, here na lang sa nato na fin. So, diba?
Ano na failing man?
Na-failing down good siya. So we have now this table. Okay, table. Table, guys. Okay. Sus ka dirty man po sa table, oy. Pero i-clean up na siya, guys. Okay. This is the reason why we go outside, because this is not really good. So the house will be burned if we do it inside, because this one will fired. Kusog kayo, musiga.
Paano lang nga tara siya sa dogs?
So, guys. So, asa naman tong anak, ma? Paleta. Huwag pa man ito. Pangkatag, unta. So, babaw ano. Mga kupting, ha? Lagay tagpuan mo. Kahoy. Ano lang. Transfer na siya.
Ang buwang nagsigal, butang pila. Ano, nagsigal lang na.
Tong mubo. Na kuan. Tingnan mo isa ma ba?
Oh, nani na?
Asa man?
Yan sa lumisa ba? Saka. Katong luwag ba? Luwag mo pa.
Wala na kataas.
Nagnaingon mo.
Hindi siya putla.
So guys, look. This is very hot, guys. That is how the Carabao can't be done inside the house, Dai. Your house will be fire burning on the dance floor. Huh? Una siya. Not happy cooking, Dai. So that's how, guys. That's how we cook it. But this is so hot, guys. This is not easy. So look. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. This is like a oven. Oh. I guess the fire is out of control. So you have to control the fire, guys. And this one. So asa naman si Zane, ang young star na human, hapit na maluto. This is so perfect, guys. Look. Okay. Nasubrahan siya kalayo sa ubos.
Napagod ng buwan.
Guys.
Hindi rin lalo man.
So try this, mother. Mother will try this, guys, if this is
May pagod isa lang.
already good. This one? Okay. And the star. So? Huh? So is that good na? Okay. Not?
Not pa man. Ngilalo man gud.
Not
Balihon
good.
man na siya lang.
Ah, okay.
Balihon man na siya ikuan.
We'll do the reverse. Okay. Pwede naman siguro walay dahon-dahon ang kuan.
Ayan, dahon.
Bali.
Sige, yan. Kulob.
We'll also flip this, guys. Look. See, look at the house, guys. The fire was not controlled. Okay. Init.
Straight.
Okay. So this is your star bread. My God, ang akong kamot. So show me the star.
Janice,
You try dog open.
a disagreement with Billie Jean.
Ay. Careful. Try that. Init. Tastes good. Look at that. See? Using this, you know, improvised oven. So that's how it looks. Oh. See? So guys, it's getting dark, guys. So we still time check 6:30 in the evening, and I'm still cooking here this Bisaya nga pan. Okay, so we're going to check. So each chamber, guys, they have, so it's not good yet. Super hot.
Pudayo.
It's basta. Mamuha na na, oh. See? Oh. See? And we have these guys. Oh, so yummy, yummy. And then oh, tama na yan. Wala na ko na i-record ni Kuya. Pwede ba yung bubo? Kalayo po. Uy, Jesus. Kalayo. So guys, this is our last batch of breads, and this is the finished product, guys. Look, guys. This is cooked in a charcoal using coconut shell. Coconut shell, guys. So and now it's 10 o'clock in the evening.
Oh my God. Overnight.
So yeah, it took a long time to cook this. Oh my goodness. Oh, just flip that, and I think this is good. Okay, look at this.
Looks like ball.
See, this is our traditional bread, guys, and this is Very, very yummy. So, this is not good. So, let's put it back here. Finally, guys, we're done. And this is our breads. It's really smell good, and yeah, actually this is last for about like 3 weeks. We can store this in a storage for 3 weeks, and this is good with coffee. Oh my god. So we will try to open this one. Inside of this, yes, it's done. So this is what it looks, guys.
She is so yummy.
Very.
Yum
Yes.
yum.
Yeah. But look at my hands. So yeah, that's it for this video. It's really an eventful for me. It's getting tiring, and the girls is out there. So yeah, they're part of this project. They're the one who molds and do some things. So yes. So yeah, that's it for this video, and looking forward to see you all on my next videos. Bye for now.